Hello, financial explorers. Are you ready to embark on a journey of financial transformation? Today, we're diving deep into the world of reviving finances, one transaction at a time. Credit repair payment processing. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts down below in the comments section. 1. The importance of payment processing for high-risk businesses. In the modern business landscape, accepting credit cards has become the bedrock of commerce. Whether your business operates in a physical store or the digital realm, credit card payment processing is non-negotiable. 2. Understanding high-risk merchant processing. Businesses operating in sectors like credit repair often face hurdles. Factors like chargeback ratios and regulatory concerns make it challenging. But fear not, high-risk merchant processing is here to the rescue. 3. E-commerce and the need for secure payment gateways. In today's digital era, e-commerce has revolutionized the way we do business. Secure and seamless e-commerce payment processing is the key. 4. Accepting credit cards for credit repair. Credit repair services often find themselves labeled as high-risk merchants. But this label shouldn't prevent them from accepting credit card payments. With the right credit repair merchant processing solution, these businesses can enjoy the benefits of credit card acceptance while effectively managing associated risks. 5. Navigating the CBD merchant processing landscape. The CBD industry has soared in popularity, but it's considered high risk due to its cannabis connection. CBD merchants face payment processing challenges. Yet, specialized CBD merchant accounts and payment processing solutions have emerged. 6. Empowering businesses with payment processing solutions. Whether you're in credit repair, e-commerce, or the CBD sector, the right payment processing solution is a game changer. It encompasses credit and debit card processing. 7. Unlocking financial revival with TouchSuite. Amidst high-risk payment processing, TouchSuite emerges as a beacon of trust. Understanding the struggles faced by credit repair, e-commerce, and CBD businesses, TouchSuite offers tailor-made solutions. 8. Payment processing for financial revival. Payment processing is the heartbeat of modern commerce. For high-risk businesses like credit repair, e-commerce, and CBD ventures, finding the right solution is paramount. Businesses can ensure secure transactions, manage risks, and pave the path for financial revival, one transaction at a time. As we conclude, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. For payment solutions and more, visit TouchSuite's website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.